All right, I already said this, but Becquerel and the Curies put to end. Oh gosh, I'm an idiot. Let's see. Becquerel and the Curies put an end to Dalton's, I love these, idea that the atom was indivisible. All right, we said that in the last video. She also discovered two new radioactive elements, radium, I knew this was coming along, and polonium. All right, then also they named curium after her as well. Now, we're going to shift gears. This is J.J. Thompson. I'll bet $1. Half of you have already drawn a mustache on him or given him an earring or whatever kids do. Quite common for these people to end up with quite the hairdos. Because I know you're bored. Who wouldn't be a little bit bored right now? But at least you're busy. That makes me happy. All right, so here comes J.J. Thompson, his flowing red hair. He developed his model of the atom when he discovered that atoms are divisible because these people told him. In 1897, he used the cathode ray tube, which you'll learn all about in the next video clip, and you already saw anyway in the previous couple video clips. In a vacuum tube, a luminous beam flowed between the negative, that's the anode, that says A-N-O-D-E, that's really ugly, and positive cathode, C-A-T-H-O-D-E. All right, you can tell the cathode is positive because it signs in the middle, C-A-T-H-O-D-E. There's the positive sign. All right, terminals of a high voltage supply using a cathode ray tube with magnets and electrical plates. He discovered that the cathode ray was made up of negatively charged particles. He calculated these particles to have a mass 1/2000th as much as a hydrogen atom, the lightest known atom. He called these subatomic particles electrons. All right, so now we're cooking. J.J. Thompson's going to come up with a model that includes the atom and now the electron, which comes from the atom. All right, next video we'll go into that in a lot of detail. Get ready. That's where it switches from this year to next year. I hope that you've been great. I don't even know if you got this far. If you're someone that's watching these because you've been absent, you really have got everything that the students in class would get. Make sure to do your homework and catch up. And that's it.